As a buyer looking to purchase your property, you have the right to choose to work with whoever you want during a real estate transaction, whichever lender you want, whichever title company, and realtor as well. But once you select a realtor and the realtor is giving you recommendations on a lender, I highly recommend you take that recommendation instead of going out and searching for multiple lenders that you've never worked with before. The reason for that is because that realtor most likely has worked with that lender dozens, if not hundreds of times before, where they have experience and great communication to offer you as the end consumer, the buyer, a better experience where they're never going to put your deposit at risk in the case the lender drops the ball, because most likely that lender will not drop the ball because that realtor has worked with the lender before and they know how to work together. If you go off and you start shopping around and working with different lenders that you've never worked with before, you never know how that lender is going to behave during the transaction. And ultimately, they could be putting your money at risk if they don't approve you like they said they were at the beginning. So when the realtor gives a recommendation on the lender, it's not because you're getting a kickback, because that's illegal. We cannot get kickbacks as realtors from lenders or title companies. We give recommendations to our buyers because we worked with these people before and we can guarantee a better service, a better experience, and ultimately getting you to the closing table, which is what you and everybody else wants. So if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time. Take care.